particular farmers, those who are growing the crop, and you know that they are just selling their produce. So what technological side, what I my emphasis will be on that numerous technologies are there, and we can promote, and we are promoting also and developing also technology for the farmer, so that they can do some value addition at farm level. Uh, so basically, basic idea of the institute is to provide technological support and policy support. So these they all aware of, we are all aware about the data. As far as production is concerned, we are somewhere at number two and somewhere at number three, but still we are losing huge share of this fruit and vegetable, and starting from 18 to about 25%. And you know that we conducted one study in 2015, and now I can say 1 lakh crore, 1 lakh 1,000 crore rupees is still we are losing basically. So if we are able to that reduction in these losses, so that value can be put in the country's economy or farmers' economy. So I will show a lot of pictures basically just to sensitize and put my view on that. So still this practice is there, and every day we are looking such type of things because of inadequate infrastructure, lack of awareness, lack of cold chain facility, storage facility, okay, and inappropriate, I would like to say, transportation and marketing infrastructure. So what is the answer then? Strong network of cold chain from farm to wholesale and retail market is essentially required, and government is putting focus on it now. And you know that more emphasis was there on the production side, and good agricultural practices are in place. But if you produce something by putting a lot of effort, by applying all good agricultural practices, and handling is poor, so all efforts are lost. So basically, handling is important, and you know that okay, we can. So basically, after employing good production practices, good handling practices should be adopted, and the awareness should be created. See the difference between the quality. Same produce with the poor handling leads to such type of things. So basically, major reason of post-harvest losses we are aware, but that in production catchment, basically on farm, primary grading collection centers are not non-existent, and warehouse cold storage are inadequate. Cold chain is non-existent. Quality certification system non-existent. My earlier speaker also highlighted many issues. But I think that these collection centers and primary grading center can be in reality, because government has introduced this ODO One District One Product. So the basic limitation was inadequate raw material and quality raw material basically. So I think the time will come, and with this scheme, we will be producing enough to create some facility in production catchment, at least at district level or at block level. So basically, this is our supply chain, and this route is quite lengthy, and numerous occasions we are shifting our delicate perishable produce from one stage to another stage. And with the introduction of what we are promoting is cooperative, and you know that with the introduction of this FPOs, so this route is short, and the instances of handling are reduced. So basically, to maintain the quality, and quality will be maintained in this way. Basically, these are steps, 4 5 steps if we follow to prevent loss. basically good harvesting practices, pre-cooling at harvest site, storing and grading facility, packaging and sorting and grading, packaging and storage. So cold chain, we know that we understand cold chain, but you know that in our country, huge uh, cold storage structures are available. And in horticulture crop, basically, as far as our experience is concerned, different crop require different storage temperature, different conditions. So I will come to that later. But if we store, or if we store all the commodities, numerous commodities in a big godowns, uh, adjacent to each other, so that is not going to give good result. So what we are promoting is we are promoting that segmentation of these cold room. That there should be chamber or segregation or individual uh,